Hi y'all, I hope you're doing amazing. Welcome in. If you're new to my channel, I'm Lindsay. My channel is all about self and spiritual development, manifestation, a little bit about entrepreneurship. If you're interested in those other resources, they are in the description box below, as well as my about section. And I also give messages from spirit as well, which is going to be the theme for this video. I got a pretty strong download and I am really excited to share this one because it is a lucky one. So I have been just getting I want to say attacked by ladybugs. It's only been 3, but that's a lot, like in one sitting if you think about it. So I had one ladybug land on me, and ladybugs are really significant for me, and I feel like, I've been just experiencing my own lucky season, and it just feels like it's growing. And so I really wasn't too surprised to see the one ladybug, although my mind just stays blown and I absolutely love it. I mean, I freak out like a small child every single time like it's the first time. But 3, I was like, okay, that is not just for me. This is for me and for the collective, because I'm part of the collective, right? But this is definitely one to share. So 3 ladybugs. I don't know who needs to hear this today, but your Wheel of Fortune season is here. 3 ladybugs is so crazy. I don't know. I mean, one was on my shoe, one landed on my finger, one landed on my forearm. I was like, what is going on? You might want to go buy a lottery ticket or something, to be honest with you. You might really, really hit the jackpot. But even if it's not the lottery, I think that you have some kind of windfall coming towards you. And it was also interesting because the 2 ladybugs happened early this morning when I walked to go get breakfast, and then again when I came on this walk. But in between, I was brushing my hair and I got this really big knot in my hair, and I don't usually get knots in my hair like that, and I really had to sit there and work it for what felt like forever. It took a lot of patience, but it was like the more I pulled and tugged, it just made the knot worse. And so it was also a download that went with the ladybugs, because I picked up on someone who maybe has several different projects going. You may have an online business, or just several different things going, and several different things that you have been trying. And I really got that you've been trying for a while now, because all of these strands of hair, I got like timelines, like you have been really feeling trapped in like just a whole bunch of just a tangle of a whole bunch of different timelines, none of which have satisfied you or worked out. And I got that you're just tired of being tired. You need for something to work out, and that you're just getting to this point also, just like the knot, where you're frustrated now. Like, where is it? You're experiencing like too much of a gap of where you are and where you want to be, and you've just been at it for so long, and you're like, where is my turn? And so you're just really fighting it now. You're tugging, you're pushing, you're pulling, and it's just feeling like the knots are getting worse, and it's really getting hard to not have any resistance, right? And not experience that frustration. But whoever you are, it is here, because I know it's taken a lot of patience, but everyone gets their turn. The wheel comes for everyone, truly. And it's, I also got that whole the last shall be first thing. And so I'm sure that really resonates with you if this is your message, just between like the knot and the ladybugs, I was like, oh man, this person has really been at it for a long time, to where it just feels like they're in all of these tangly timelines, none of which they want anything to do with anymore. And you might not even know like which timeline you even want to work out now at this point, but source does, the universe does. And I know you're just in a place where it's getting hard to let go and to trust, but 3 ladybugs is not normal, and your windfall is here, baby. Okay, so don't you dare give up, okay? Because it is right around the corner. And also, just so you know, that is 100% how it always goes, right? It's like right when we are ready to give up and throw in the towel, we can't take it anymore, is right when it comes in, okay? So just continue to stay in your own lane, try to stay out of your head, just focus on that little bit every day that you can do. 5 minutes of meditation, rest when you need to, be silent so that the answers will come, and that way it'll help you to stay out of your head. Take 15-second breaks throughout your day. I do this as well, just to focus on your breathing. It really helps so much. It's like a little buffering that you can do throughout your day. And just know that it is just not the time to give up yet. Even if all you've got is that 5% every day towards your manifestations, because it's here. Your windfall is here. It's all going to be okay. It is all working out. And I know that time is an illusion and all, but for this one, for whoever this message is for, it's here now, babe. Okay, so you got this, and I love you so much. I really am sending you so much encouragement. Ask source to put coals in your fire. I have had to do this myself lately because I just went through a big purge, and it totally wore me out energetically, and I was needing the help. So definitely ask for it, okay? And you will get it. So I love you. I hope this helps, and let me know in the comments, and like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.